Hey everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial on 3ds Max. This tutorial here will demonstrate how to create terrain on 3ds Max the quickest and simplest way. This is ideal for creating topography for your site and allowing you to customize your own terrain within your freedom, and developing concepts directly onto your ground plane of the location. This is ideal if you want to have a specific location and use the specific plane for that site, and there's a great way to design on that. This tutorial here involves a plugin MapRoom, so if you don't have that, could you please go back and watch my previous tutorial on how to install that and get that set up and ready to use. But in this case here, we have it already set up, so we just want to go ahead and run MapRoom. So once you open 3ds Max and you're ready to run it, you just want to click up on here on my top toolbar, which I have MapRoom there, and just click on that. Once MapRoom installs and opens up, you're ready to go. So I just want to click on working with kilometers here. And then you want to click on satellite and terrain, which is in this top left hand box here in your window. Just want to click on that. And as you can see, it's opened up your terrain and MapRoom image on your window, and it's on across all your windows here, and that's where you'll be putting in your map and site. So then you want to click on MapRoom, satellite and terrain, and just click on that. This is where you can put in your specific location by name. You can go by address, whichever way you like. It'll find it by location. So if you want to go find location by name, I'm going to do Green Gully Reserve, which is probably a steep location in my area. So I'm just going to click on that and click on the first link or first tab that comes up on yours, and then click OK. Once you have done that, you want to click on Update Space, and they'll update your map. And that is all ready to go. So then in your left hand side column here, this is your layers tab. This is where you can either add new layers, or you just want to click on your existing one, which is terrain here. We're going to click on that. This right here is the width and height of your site and the size which will be at. So this is by kilometers as well. So we want to make this pretty small, otherwise it will take a while to render in and download. So we'll keep this pretty simple by, let's go 15 by 15 kilometers. And this is your pixels of your map, so the quality of the map, that how it will render in. So obviously the lower it is, the less pixels and the more pixelated, less quality, the higher quality, but it'll take a bit longer to render in. So we'll just go with something like 2040, which is reasonable. And then once you have completed that and you're happy with all your information you've put across, you just want to click on Update Map Images, and that will then download that onto your plane, and you are ready to go. As you can see here, it has plotted the terrain of that location, and you can see each level and the different heights. You can then further customize this by either changing the color of the map, which you can just do right here. But first we want to click on the outer square of that. This is where you can change the color if need be. The map image already stays on. And then to further clean up the file and clean the map up a bit more better, you just want to go onto the modifiers tool on the right hand side, and this will have the drop down menu of everything that's already modified. Then if you want to click on modifier list and then search shell, and then that should come up as well. If you have an issue like that, you just want to lessen that outer amount in your parameters. So if you just go 0.5 for this example, it will change it up and won't make it as curved. Obviously the smaller you go, the less it will show, but this is just a way to get the terrain on perfectly. So there you go, this is just a quick tutorial on how to create the terrain and topography on 3ds Max using MapRoom, and I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you.